Adobe Premiere Elements 2020 has a lot of options for titles and text. We want to go to the sidebar and click Titles and Text. And they have a wide range of options. They have multiple categories. You have motion titles, and a list comes down for that. You have classic titles, a larger list for that. You have frequently used based off your choices and how often you create videos of a certain type. You can create almost any kind of title that you want for your videos. We're going to go with a motion title today. How about something a little geometric? We have some options here. And I'm going to select the third option down. Now I'm going to simply drag this and put it on our very first video. The content has to download from the internet. And now our title has been added to the front, and we can customize what text we have in that title. And I'm going to put the title Tiny Giants in here. And we can also move our text up or down, side to side. We can have it centered or elsewhere on the screen. We can even have subtext or simply make this blank if we don't want any text there. But we will put a subtext there for the series it's a part of. And there we go.